connect tayo sa kabilang line. Si Pia ng Batangas. Hello po!
Hello?
Hi, good evening.
Magandang gabi.
Parang seryoso po tayo Parang pag ito nakakatakot Good evening din ho. Ano po bang atin? Pia po pangalan nila?
Pia? Pia.
Ma'am, you're from Batangas.
Yeah, but I'm from La Union.
Ano ba talaga to?
Hindi, taga La Union ako, but I'm staying in Batangas.
Okay, you are an Ilocana.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi mas pagluto ti Ilocana manang nay, nyakan nay, manaw! Nagano ka di La Union na?
Yung family ko is from Bawang.
Bawang. Siglaan nito yan.
Taga Bawang ka, di ba?
Ang taga to lang Pangasinan.
Pangasinan.
Dito lang ko, labas Tarlac Carmen.
Okay.
Nagkanigid ka taga, Alcala niya, diyan. You understand Ilocano, ano po?
When?
Pero social ka no? Yung when mo parang slang pa rin When? Ano pong ginagawa niyo sa, ngayon, sa Batangas?
Dito kami nakatira ngayon.
Alright. If I'm not mistaken, this is the second time you're calling the show, right?
No, it's the first time.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Kasi there was someone from La Union who called me a year ago. That it wasn't you. Alright. Okay, ma'am. Ano pong ginagawa sa buwan Pia?
Wala.
Alright. 50 years old?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you believe that life begins at 40?
I guess.
Alright. Thank you for the confirmation. I'm 6 years away. I just need to know.
Okay.
I just had to know. Alright, sige. Yeah, what can I do for you, ma'am?
Actually ngayon, meron akong karelasyon. Okay? Pero naguguluhan ako. I have this, yung dating ex-boyfriend ko.
Pag sinabing karelasyon po, live-in.
Yeah.
Gaano katagal na po yung live-in niya?
No, 7 years.
7 years. And up until today, you address that guy as karelasyon lang, hindi mo lang asawa? Ang tagal mo lang kasama sa isang bahay?
Kasi married din siya.
But still, I mean, married siya. Ay, ibig mo sabihin sa akin, you are a mistress.
I guess. Yeah.
Okay. Ang tinatanong ko po, yung pagiging mistress is that dalawa kayong present sa buhay.
Separated naman siya.
Diba? I mean, sorry mama, but I guess kasi pag ganyan, when you live under the same roof with someone, diba, at least sa kwentuhan, you acknowledge that someone as asawa na yan sa isang bahay kayo Well, yun lang po ang akin. Anyways, ma'am, 7 years na kayo, may anak na po kayo?
Wala.
Sige po. Alright.
Meron kasi akong yung dating ex-boyfriend, it bothers me really. Kasi parang naguguluhan lang ako. Wala he never said he loves me. Wala, never talaga. Pero, ang nangyari, noong, basta one time na lang, umuwi na lang siya sa bahay, sa Baguio. We stayed in Baguio
Okay, nagaguluhan ako. Who are we talking about here? Who are we talking about? Yung hindi po nagsasabi ng I love you sa'yo. Yung ka-live-in mo ngayon?
No. My ex-boyfriend.
Okay. Sagutin niyo muna ito naman. Why are we talking about him after, di ba, 7 years ka na may kasamang iba? Bakit hindi mo nag-uusapan? Ngayon yun. Pati ng mga anak mo.
Kasi, kapag nag-uusap kami, minsan, naguguluhan pa rin ako. We still talk. But actually, lately, tinapos ko rin
Okay, hold on. May kalibing ka ng 7 taon na and you still talk Di ba dun sa father ng anak mo?
Ano, hindi siya father na anak ko. Actually, ex-boyfriend ko lang talaga.
You're cheating right now.
Oh, yeah, but we don't see each other.
Ilan taong ka na? Ilan taong ka na po?
50.
Bakit bobo ka mga tiran? You have the audacity. You have the audacity and the guts to tell me. Pero hindi ka ba nakikita? That's in the nature of cheating, madam. Nakikita kayo, hindi, you're cheating your partner right now.
Niloloko rin naman ako noon eh.
You expect me to help you fix yung relasyon mo sa kinakalantari mo? Is that how you
Hindi
expect me to help you out
naman,
tonight?
hindi. Naguguluhan na nga ako, di ba?
Mami, you have two guys in your life. Whether nakikita kayo ng isa o hindi, you are cheating. Di ba? Period yan.
Ganon?
Really, you are 50 years old.
Oh yeah, but don't you think na yung kinakasama ko, niloloko rin ako?
So you think you're solving any problem by doing the same thing? By getting even with your partner? Bakit mag-iwalay ka and be with somebody else?
Hindi ko nga alam kung mahal ako nung ex-boyfriend ko eh.
I don't care. I don't give a Meron kang kalipin eh. You're with someone, it's not even relevant for us to talk about another guy.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but in my book, this is not acceptable. Really. Pia, you made the decision to ask me, di ba, about your problem dun sa third party mo? Really? No way. No effing way.
Hindi, kasi naguguluhan lang talaga ako.
You're not, hindi ka maguguluhan kung isa lang yan. You have two guys in your life right now, and here you are calling a radio show, asking to help you out fix one of the two? I am astonished. Being surprised right now is an understatement. No way. Social ako mag-react tonight. No way.
Oo naman.
Medyo mayaman ako ngayong gabi. Oh, yes. Dalawa jowa mo? 50 ka na, madamalandi ka pa rin?
Hoy, ha?
Oy, hindi ka malandi? Anong iisipin ng mga 18 anyos na kikinig sa atin? Sa isang kagaya mo 50 anyos, tama yung ginagawa mo? Anong iisipin ng mga 18? Yung mga 20 anyos? Yung ginagawa naman ni Pia, 50 di okay, baka tama rin. Really?
Ang tagal naman namin hindi nag-usap.
I don't care! It will never make it right! Ah! Oh my God! Ang intense lang yung reaction para kunyari maramdaman mong nakakainis. Ano ka ba?
Okay.
Bakit? Really? No way!
Actually, siya naman yung nauna
I don't care! This is within your control! May kalipin ka. Hindi mo pwede katwiran dahil niloloko naman din ako. It will never make it okay, not in the next 1,000 years. Not because yung kalipin mo ngayon is cheating on you or cheated on you, it will never make it okay and right, ate, Madam Pia, na meron kang ibang...
Wala naman akong karelasyon ngayon eh. May wala naman akong boyfriend na iba eh.
Okay. May kalipin ka.
Yeah.
And you talk, di ba, doon sa ex mo? Tama?
Once in a while. Oo.
Kausap ng ex mo. Alright?
Pag may problema
and
ako.
your problem is, hindi ka sinasabihan ng I love you.
Dati pa, when we live together.
So, I don't care, ma'am. Ma'am, there are two guys in your life. It's not supposed to be, it's not supposed to be normal. You want my advice?
Yeah.
Stop talking to your ex. Period. O, di walang confusion.
Mhm.
Did you really believe
Na?
that in the most remote possible way, sorry that's redundant na yun diba? There is a chance in hell na papayuan kita by fixing a problem na related sa ka-third party mo? Ganda ng tanong ko, in social English yun.
Oo nga eh.
Diba? Wow! Minsan gusto kong kumain ng mamahaling pagkain. Kasi kanina mamahal kinain namin Sofitel. Yes, I will say it again. Sofitel. Hindi ako nagbayad libre. I was with my tusirang kanin. Yan naka-t-shirt ako ng tusir. Royal t-shirt yan. Stop talking to your ex. It will solve the problem. Now, if you have a problem with your partner in life right now who's cheating on you, ayaw mo, walayan mo. Kung hindi mo kayang kausapin dahil ginagago kayo, walayan mo. Wag mo. Don't get even because it makes you wrong as well. If he's doing something wrong, di ba, it will never make it okay that you do that, di ba? The same thing na ginagawa niya, alam mo na mali.
Okay.
I am astonished. I am really astonished, man, that you are asking me this question. Given to, yung sagot Ano?
Ang gulong-gulo na may utak
Huwag ka
ko.
magulo ka. Dapat isa-isa lang natin.
Isa na naman talaga.
Come on. That's
Isa na naman
temptation.
talaga.
Ex mo
Oo.
yan
Minsan lang talaga, pag yung problemado talaga ako, natatawagan ko siya.
Don't run to your ex. Payo ko sa lahat na magjowa. You have a problem with your relasyon ngayon, never run to your ex. Never. Don't do
But
that.
you know, he's a very busy man.
That is a
Pag
very
tinawagan ko siya,
stupid thing to do.
kinakausap niya ako.
That's the point because temptation yan, ma'am. You never run to your ex. Temptation yan.
Okay.
Nakalando ko naman, te. Pia. Ano bang pagkain sa Batangas?
Marami.
Ano dyan?
Ha?
Tawilis.
Tawilis.
Puntahan mo ako sa palengke ng Tawilis. Magising ka lang.
Ha?
Yung sa palengke ng Tawilis, kaya tubo. Magising ka.
Okay.
Lublub kita sa kaping barako. Anong trip pa sa... Alim ako sa'yo. Ay naku, madam. Sorry I know our generation gap, di ba? I don't want to, di ba, to my advice to you or the way I talk to you, it will dawn to you na parang disrespect lang kita, but I want to send the message across. And ayoko na isipin ng mga kabataan nakikinig sa, mga 50 anyos na nakikinig, na tumawag Ma'am, tigilan mo na yung kausap niyo. Okay, now tell me, there's a bigger question here. Ano yung problema na inilalapit mo sa kanya? Tell me about it.
Kapag nalalaman ko na parang may kasama babae yung kalipin ko.
Okay.
So, I would call him. He would advise me rin naman.
Don't call your ex. Go to someone else. Or kung ma'am, kung alam mo kung niloloko ka, it has become a perennial problem to you, yung panloloko ng kalipin mo, makipag-iwalay ka na.
Yeah, I guess. I'm planning. Yeah.
Yun, ma'am. Stop calling your ex. Di ba? Sa isang kwento, Pia, pag ikaw na yung tama, wag mo nang hayaan maging mali ka pa.
Alam mo, malaman ko lang talaga na mahal ako ng ex ko. Magkipag-iwalay ako ngayon sa Ay, hindi ko kasi alam
Ay, gago. Really?
O, hindi. Kasi nga,
Talaga to? Itong usapan na to talaga itong radyo to?
hindi nga kasi yung kwento.
Talaga yan, ma'am?
Hindi nga kasi yung kwento nga kasi we started sa, hindi ko alam kung mali.
Alright, okay, stop. Palagay mo tama yung statement mo.
Na
Malaman mo lang mahal ka, nahihiwalay mo yan ka. Ma'am, kung ayaw mo na itong kalibin, makipaghiwalay ka. May pupuntahan kang lalaki o wala. Kating-kati ka naman sa lalaki sa buhay.
Over
Kailangan mo-
naman, hindi
Eh,
naman.
let me translate what you just said. Malaman ko lang na mahal ako nung ex ko, hihiwalay mo, kalibin mo. Bakit? Mamatay ka na wala lalaki? Kailangan may kapal kagad? Hindi mo ba kaya na makipaghiwalay because it's the right thing to do niyo dahil may kapalit kagad?
Hindi naman.
Hindi niyo po kaya yon, ma'am? Yung makipaghiwalay ka because you know sa edad mo 50 anyos na yun tamang dapat gawin? Hindi dahil mayroong nag-aantay sa'yo? Mahal ka nung ex mo o hindi, may pupunta ka lalaki o wala, Madam Pia, kung alam mo hindi ka naman sa relasyon na meron ka ngayon, go ahead. Get your life back.
Okay. Yeah, gulo.
Tukating trip.
Kasi nga, Papa Jack, alam mo ba na ano,
Ano po?
when we live together,
Sino to, ma'am? Pinag-uusapan?
yung ex ko,
Oh.
he never said he loves me. But I never said I love him too.
What's your point by
Okay.
telling me that? I wanna know.
Hindi, kasi
Sige po.
tapos bigla na lang umuwi na siya sa Baguio. Every afternoon, uuwi siya doon. Tapos papasok siya sa office ng morning. Uuwi siya ng hapon. Wala lang. Parang siguro meron ng kiss, pero wala, hindi.
So that's why maybe kaya kayo naghiwalay. But I don't know. I don't really care. The chapter of your life with this guy is over.
Oo nga, pero nagtataka naman ako. Kada tawag ko naman sa kanya, kakausapin niya ako.
Then that's what I'm telling you. It's wrong. Don't do it.
I don't know, nagugulan talaga ako.
Ma'am, okay, ganito ano. You have a problem right now with your partner in life. Tama?
Yeah.
Okay. None of those problems can be fixed and will be fixed. Diba? By calling your ex. That will never be the solution. Never. If you think you do not deserve to live your life with this guy right now, go ahead, pack your things and leave.
Well, this is my house.
Or they ask him to go. Ganun kasimple. Diba? Pack his things and, diba? Send it to me, baka kasi sa akin. Malay mo. Meron mamahalin dyan. Size medium. Medyo malaki.
Tapos ijajaryo niya ako, ganun.
Ay, ito na. You're dropping hints, ha? You are dropping hints. Influential ba itong lalaki?
Both of them.
Both of them. You're playing with fire. Don't be surprised if one day you'll get burned. I suspect you look so good at the age of 50. Really?
Me?
No, my mom.
I guess.
She looks so good. What about you? I'm asking you.
I don't know. Maybe.
At the age of 50.
Maybe.
Asim ba eh. Mag-ingat ka, baka sigangin ka. Asim ka eh. Gawin kasi may ganga. Ihalo ka sa
Nagkita na tayo, Papa Jack.
You were here a few days ago, right?
No. We met somewhere.
We met somewhere.
Yeah.
Now that's fishy. Now I'm interested.
Yeah, we met somewhere. And I guess,
was it
yung
private
yung
place?
ex-boyfriend ko kilala ka.
Yung alin po?
Yung ex-boyfriend ko kilala ka niya.
Okay. Where did we meet?
Way back.
Way back. Where's that?
Basta.
Not in the station?
No.
Not here? Oh my God, I'm intrigued. Oh my God. Now I'm intrigued. I'm hooked up. Okay. What occasion was that, man?
Basta.
Basta.
Ayaw pa malalaman mo kaagad.
Really?
Businessman siya.
Businessman.
Yeah.
And we've met before.
Yeah.
I mean, I meet a lot of people every day, man. Unless it was a significant meeting, we sat down and talked about things in great details, I will remember it.
Basta.
May nag-PM sa akin. Kaibigan ko taga-US. Gusto niyo ba basahin ko sa inyo?
Okay.
Sabi niya, Paus, may alaga kong higad. Bigay mo sa kanya.
Over naman.
Kasi pala ang hanap niya.
No, of course not.
You know, Pia, whatever you say, it will always look that way. You are setting a very bad example to the youth listening right now. Real talk na lang.
I guess some people will understand me.
I don't think so. Kung meron ba, sampalin ko.
Yeah.
I will never allow...
If they'll listen to the real story.
Okay, ganito, I don't need the complete story. But all I know right now, and there's no way around it, is that you are living in with someone and you are talking to an ex who's potentially, di ba, a cause of cheating. Whatever you do, it will never be okay. Now, you want to talk to your ex, hiwalay mo yung jawa mo ngayon. Don't play safe. Love is all about taking the risk. Take the risk. Makipag-hiwalay ka. And pursue another relationship. Don't pursue another relationship, ma'am, while you are in. Di ba? In a relationship. Kasi hindi magiging tama. Anong ulo ka dyan?
Oh yeah, gagawin ko yan.
Di ba? Huwag ka makipag-iwalay only because alam mo na or inaasahan mo na may pupuntahan kang lalaki. Honestly, Madam Pia, it's never compulsory to be with a guy or a girl to have a partner in life. Hindi compulsory yan. Walang namatay dahil walang jowa. Honestly, but it's wonderful. So allow it to happen naturally. Lagi kong paalala sa inyo.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, am I really getting my message across to you? Pia?
What?
English, hindi naman. Ang hirap-hirap pa namang mag-English ng tuloy-tuloy.
Hindi ko naintindihan.
Nagigets mo ba sinasabi ko?
Yeah.
O, nag-getsing mo.
Oo.
O, pagbaklawan, kaya, Ganyan ka.
Makikinig naman ako eh. Yeah, that's why I called, di ba?
Stop talking to your ex.
Lagot ka sa kanya.
I don't care.
Nakikinig siya ngayon.
I don't care. I will not compromise the quality of my advice only because I know the person personally. But it will never happen. Not in the next million years.
Okay.
I tell my friends, don't call my show because you will not like me after it. Pamurahin kita kung kailangan. This is my job. Don't talk to your ex. Nakikinig yung ex mo yan?
Parang, kasi minsan pag nakikinig siya daw, parang pag gusto niya matawa.
Okay, who's laughing now? Stop talking to your ex. May ka-live-in ka. Gaano malandi? Baka kamutin kita ng blade.
Hindi naman yung gano'n. Ikaw naman. Of course, hindi sa ganun lang.
Don't justify it, please. You are 50 years old now. You know exactly that what you're doing right now is wrong. Plain and simple. Had it been an 18-year-old girl came up to you and asked you an advice about the very same problem, you will give that girl the same advice I gave you tonight. Believe me.
Mm-hmm.
And what makes you any different? Because you're 50? Ain't you supposed to do things better than an 18-year-old girl?
Well, anyway, okay.
Ano ba yan? Yun lang ang sagot niya, okay. Kakainis naman to.
No, I'm planning to leave for the States, okay?
You're going back to the States?
Yeah.
Uy, size 10 ako, Or 10 and a half para may allowance.
Sige.
Si Zab, ano sabi? Ha? 10 and a half po para pwede ka mag-switch, ha?
Okay.
Sabi ni Zab. Opo.
Yeah, I'll send you.
Niyaman pala to, Brad. Actually, tama ka eh.
Umahimik. Ay, naku.
Ay, naku ka! Iyang. Bakit ka ganyan?
Mabait naman ako.
Yes.
Mabait naman ako.
Mabait ka, but it doesn't mean tama yung ginagawa mo. Those are two
Confused lang ako.
You're not confused. You're doing something
I
wrong.
am confused.
If I say yes
I left
to you...
my ex-boyfriend because I wasn't sure if he loves me, okay? Nasira ang ulo ko.
Ma'am, the issue of your ex-boyfriend has got nothing to do with fixing your life with your partner right now. Huwag mong ipasok sa usapan. The only reason kung bakit na pag-uusapan yung ex mo is because you made him be a part of the picture. You want to fix your problem at home with your living partner? Fix it without calling anybody, especially your ex. If you've given up dun sa idea na maayos, leave your diba? Your ex. Diba? Maybe then, pag recovered ka na, maybe you can pursue another love story with somebody else, maybe with your ex. But not at the same time, please. Ayoko nagagalit ako. Kasi naman pa English talaga ako. Mukha akong social talaga. Pag kumain ako, oy! Masarap kasi ang ko dinner ko kanina. Hindi spiral. Hindi, nahiya ako mag-request eh. Spiral kasi sa hospital. Magkano ba isang spiral?
2,000 plus?
Alam nito, mayaman. Alam niya ang spiral. Oh my God,
Yeah, we always eat there.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait a minute the next time. Malapit lang ako dyan eh. Dito lang sa area.
I'll call you.
Really? Oy, ma'am, call me na please. Don't take time. Tomorrow, maybe around 4, right? I'm just kidding. Honestly, I'm not a fan of buffets.
Pero but if buffet lang talaga, Heritage masarap. It's a matter of all buffet.
Really?
Yeah.
Diba? Sa diyan sa may tapat ng tabi ng Copacabana.
Yeah.
Diba sa likod niya may Victoria Court. Kahog sa kaliwa. Ba't ko ba alam yung mga yan?
Kung buffet rin lang pag-uusapan.
Tabi ng Sogo, yung ano nga ba yun? Kamagong. Tama, Kamagong. Alam mo na ito. Nako ka.
Alam mo mga ha?
Alam po ni engineer nandito. Si engineer po, he is in charge of the erection of the building.
Ay, nako.
Do you want to be in charge of the erection, Madam Pia? Do you want to use the process? Process, di ba yung sa akin?
Hindi naman. I don't look for that, you know.
Yeah, I'm not saying you look for that, but it insinuates that you like that kapag ganyan kakalandi, dala-dalawang lalaki sa buhay.
Hindi naman yun eh.
Well, ma'am, ganito, you lose credibility when you do this. Di ba? When you steal 1 peso, you steal 1 million, pareho lang nagnakaw ka. Not because it's to justify
But
and reason out.
let me ask you this, ha?
Okay, ma'am.
Ikaw, kunyari.
Wag po ako kunyari. Ba
Hindi.
naman?
Kunyari ikaw.
Ano ba yun? Ako pa. Sige nga. Okay na yan.
O, kunyari ikaw. Nagkaroon ka ng girlfriend. Tapos, bigla na lang umuwi ka ng Baguio. You're from Manila. At umuwi ka na rin ng Baguio. Uuwi ka ng gabi. Pupunta ka sa office ng umaga ng Manila. Pag hindi mo mahal yung babae, gagawin mo yon?
I don't know. I cannot assume the answer on his behalf. If I tell you the answer, naghula ako ng sagot. All I know right now...
Kunyari ikaw nga yun.
I will not answer that. It's hypothetical. You want a hypothetical, ma'am, answer?
Kunyari 8 months, gagawin mo yon?
I will give you a number to other stations. Ito, katabi namin. So, tawagan mo. Exingin ka nila.
Ayoko, sa iyo lang ako nakikinig.
Kasi ako yun lang yung magaling. Ayaw mo na maniwala.
Tinatanong nga kita kasi.
Ganun, it does not matter, man. Because the person involved sa kwento na yan is an ex. Part of your past. Let him be. You have a problem at home with your live-in partner, fix it. Kayong dalawa, this is your problem. Your ex is not supposed to be in the picture, for crying out loud. Ano ba to, Pia? Halika nga, sumali nga tayo sa content, tanga-tangahan. Manalo tayong dalawa.
Hindi siya malungkot na nga.
Pag-team tayo.
Hindi ako tanga.
Oh, di malungkot, di ba? So dahil malungkot ka, you can justify na kausap ng ex mo, that's cheating. Nanlalaki ka, yun.
Nadadala ako ng kaguluhan.
I don't care. There is no right reason to do something wrong. There is only justification. And this time, it's not justifiable.
Gaalis na lang ako.
Well, I guess go ahead.
Yeah.
You going back to the U.S.?
Yeah.
Okay, what part of the U.S. are you going to go to? We're in the U.S.
L.A.
Oh my God, I have a house there.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Where?
yeah, Lower Antipolo. Yan lang. Ang galing nga, bilis na. Bakit ba? Yeah, well, I'm just kidding. Los Angeles, California?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, I have friends there.
Okay.
Actually, I have an ex in California.
Where?
I don't know. I don't remember her anymore. That's my point. If she's an ex, she's an ex. She's not part of my present. It's tapos na yun. Hirapan ako na. Madre pa.
Depends rin naman kapag mabait naman sa'yo, di ba?
Ma'am, let's not... Come on. Don't do this to yourself. You look like you look like stupid right now. By reasoning this out.
Alam mo, napaka-busy kasi niyang tao, pero pag ako tumawag,
I don't care.
kasi nasa conference or what, kinakausap niya ako.
Ma'am, ex mo na. Ex mo ho. Eh, jowa ka ngayon. Ano ba to? Parang hirap paliwanag sa'yo nito, ma'am. Oo nga, ano ba to? Asan ka po ngayon, ma'am?
Batangas nga.
O sa Batangas, pupuntahan kita ngayon, mumotorin kita.
Halika.
Opo, bangasan kita pagdating dyan. Makinig ka sa akin. Look, I am not telling you what I'm telling you tonight only because I want to humiliate you. I am power tripping here. That's not my point. I'm trying to get my message across and you're not listening. It does not look good, especially at your age, 50 years old, to be playing with fire and painting the town red.
I'm not playing with fire.
You are.
Hindi
There are two men in your life. Diba, your present and your ex. The minute, diba, and the moment you have a problem with your present and you run to your ex, diba, you are changing the course of the problem. Iba na yung problema agad. Nag-iba na. Ang problema tungkol sa lalaki. Hindi na yung problema talaga. If you don't want to be with your living partner right now, go ahead, makipag-iwalay ka. And then maybe somehow make a decision to go back to your ex. Kung pwede. But do not go back. But do not try to make him a part of the picture only because you are sad. Hindi kasi tama. Diba? Stop talking to your eggs. Ay, eggs. Eggs pala. May nag-away na sa buto. May mag-isawa, sabi niya, don't talk to your ex. Yung engineer, patay. Nakaw mo, ang tagahay ka matutulog ba naman yan? Sa compartment.
Sige, alis na lang ako.
Go.
Tapos,
ganito, ito payo ko sa'yo. Pia, aalis ka, di ba?
alis na lang ako.
You don't need to be with anybody. Go ahead. Go ahead and go for a sabbatical. You know what sabbatical is?
Vatican?
No, sabbatical.
Ano ba?
Sabbatical, it means self-exile. Di ba? Di ba, I mean, by not allowing anybody to influence your decision or decisions. Go for it and decide for yourself. You don't need to be with anybody. That's my point. You don't need to be with anybody.
Eh, paano pag pumunta ako ng States, sumunod siya?
Paano pag hindi? Parang si Raul dito.
Paano pag sumunod?
Ma'am, your guess is as good as mine.
Pag sumunod, paano?
Paano pag hindi po?
Paano nga pag sumunod?
I do not answer hypothetical questions.
Ay, nako.
That's my point. That's hypothetical, ma'am. Di ba? You worry about him following sa America. It's like what Albert Einstein said. You know you wanna know?
What?
Di ba? Worrying, di ba? It's like wearing a raincoat and umbrella, walking out in the sun, waiting for it to rain. Di ba? We don't know if it will happen or not.
Sige.
Ano sige?
Sige.
Go to America, and then when you get there, send me rubber shoes.
I will.
Okay. Want I want sky black.
Sky black.
Here is the color.
Okay. Anong tatak gusto mo?
Joke lang po. Don't send me anything.
I'll send you shirts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nakakaregla kang kausap, ma'am. Nakaka-menopause ka. Menopause ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Sorry mga kaibigan for a lot of people, offensive question yan. I don't think it is. Diba? It's state of your body. Hindi offensive yan. Diba? Unless tinanong mo sa ibang light. Anyways, go ahead. Go to the U.S. Los Angeles, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You go there and try to find yourself. Drop by the station before you go to the U.S. All right?
Yeah.
But don't tell me you were the one I talked to on here.
Why?
Mag-away lang tayo dito.
Magkakilala tayo. I mean, nagkakilala na nga tayo.
How long ago? I wanna know. Come on.
Basta.
How long ago? This year? Last year?
Sige, bigyan kita ng clue. Yung ex-boyfriend ko, may-ari na isang department store.
Ex mo may-ari ng isang department store.
Yeah. Huwag mo na tanong kung saan. Marami yon.
Somewhere north?
Wag na.
O di
Malalaman mo na.
Malamang oo yun. I don't remember. Do I know someone who owns a department store? Kasi kung meron akong kilala, nagtayo na ako ng food cart doon. Kasi yun ang negosyo ko. Alam niyo, negosyante ako eh. Ilocan. Well,
Ako ang Ilocano.
I'm at a loss. I don't know.
Ayan, nagka-problema ka tuloy.
Yeah. Now I'm in trouble.
Magaling ka nga raw eh, sabi niya eh.
I know I am. Did you doubt him? Yabang. Pero kambugan ako eh, no?
Hindi, totoo naman eh. Actually, dati hindi naman ako nakikinig sa'yo eh.
Pia.
What?
Hindi ako magaling. I'm a friend.
Eh, yeah, pero sabi niya magaling ka. I mean, for him na sabihin yon, it's something else. Nagulat nga ako.
You talk about me?
Yeah.
You put me in your last will. Sige na, oh.
Diyos ko.
Sige. Ano ba?
Hindi ko alam kung
baka may
meron
sobra
ako
kayo,
mamanahin.
kumain kayo. Ilagay niyo na yung pangalan ko. Para magbakasyon ako sa Caribbean. Gusto ko na mag-trunk at malaki tiyang ko.
Actually, mga kapatid ko dati, pag umuwi ng Pilipinas, yung mga kuya ko, nagkakwentuhan sila about Papa Jack. Actually, hindi talaga kita kilala dati. Oo, nagkakwentuhan sila. Grabe, magpayo yun. Talagang talagang sumasaksak daw para sa dibdib. Yun, ino-okray mo raw yung mga pinapayuhan mo.
I don't do that for no reason at all.
Yeah, pero ang ibig ko sabihin, mga kuya ko, kilala ka? You know?
Oh, thank you. Nakikinig kayo sa akin. I don't talk to you this way, Pia, because I just, di ba nagpa-power trip lang ako? No. I'm trying to get
Hindi, alam ko naman. Oo, alam ko naman. Sinasabi ko lang yung mga sinasabi nila.
Punta ka na po sa Amerika, ha? Catch your breath. Catch your breath.
Ako?
Yeah, catch your breath. Go to America, go to the US and catch your breath. Are you an American citizen already, or you're? Well,
I am.
You are okay. Okay. Punta ka doon, pero bago magkaroon ng visa ng Pilipinas, bumalik ka dito, ha? Ewan ko lang matutuloy yan. But I'm pro. Oh, it's about time. Personal ko yan. It's about time.
Babalik naman ako.
Apa.
Babalik naman ako.
Apa. Huwag niyo pong yung overweight po yung luggage para mailagay niyo po yung sapatos ng sapatos.
Pag nandun ako, papadala ko na kagad.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Kailan po ang flight niyo?
Oo nga. Papadala ko kagad.
You know, actually mga kaibigan, well, let's just go back to your problem. Dia, I mean, please, if itong relasyon na ito only brings you heartaches because the one you're with right now cheats on you, which I don't think you deserve, makipaghiwalay ka na. But the thing is, you're doing the same thing that he's doing to you. Sa isang kwentuhan, pag alam mong ikaw ang tama, don't do anything stupid to be, diba? Para ikaw yung maging mali.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
I'd like to believe na you know this. You know the right answer even before calling the show. Sometimes we are just so stubborn, diba? And stupid, diba? To apply the answers na tama naman. And we allow someone to confirm it na, oh, tama nga yan. If you called my show to confirm na tama yung alam mong desisyon mong tama naman talaga, let me be that guy. But alam mong tama na wag nang kausapin yung ex mo hanggat nandiyan ka sa relasyon na yan. Because it's wrong, right?
Okay.
It doesn't mean it feels good. It's right. Tandaan niyo mga kaibigan, hindi dahil, di ba? It doesn't mean it feels good, di ba? Hindi, it does not, or it's not synonymous to being right, okay?
Okay.
Pero gusto ko pa rin malaman magkano po yung rate ng renta sa mall. Ano ba yan, oh? Ay, naku.
Ay, naku. Okay.
Did you enjoy the conversation?
Yeah.
More than...
I felt relieved, quiet.
Alright. Nalulungkot ako.
Bakit?
You are 50 years old. And you've lost, di ba, your trackings. To what is right and what is wrong, what's acceptable, what's not acceptable, and what's relevant and significant to your life. So I'm suggesting, go ahead, go far away on a sabbatical and catch your breath. Maybe, bumalik ka identity mo. Alright? Ano po yun?
Uwi na rin talaga ako. Punta na rin talaga ako ng States. Kasi, una-una, yung family ko, ayaw dun sa kalipin ko. Okay?
For 7 years, ha?
Yeah, oo. Actually, hindi kami nag-uusap.
Oh, wala na palang point, ma'am. Wala na kayo. Ilan taon na po yan? You're 50, ilan taon na yan?
Siya? 51?
Wala nang point. If you are living separate lives under the same roof, ano kay border? Boarding house yan?
Hindi naman.
Parang gano'n po.
Now he lives in Manila. He stays in Manila.
Wala na palang point, ma'am.
Sa condo. Hindi. Pag ano naman, umuwi siya rito. Tapos minsan ako na may pumupunta doon. Pero lately, hindi na ako pumupunta doon. Ganun kagulo ang utak ko.
I wish you well in life.
Yeah.
I wish you well in life. I mean, honestly, that's from the heart. Alright?
Yeah, that's what I need.
Go back to being the real you. I'd like to believe this is not you, right?
Yeah.
Find yourself.
Yeah.
Salamat sa pagtawag.
Yeah.
God bless. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.